Hi, want to know how to enable or disable developer options on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here find a tab which is named About Phone. Here is it how it looks. And here we would need to find the MIUI version. After this, we would need to click on this MIUI version about 7 times until you'll be able to get notification which is saying that you are now a developer. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is it. Now we are a developer. And if we will go back to the settings and then scroll down, here go to the tab named Additional Settings and scroll down again. Here we should be able to find the developer options that we have just opened. Now by clicking on them, here we would be able to click on this slider which is currently blue to disable the developer options. And this is it. After this, the developer options will disappear. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.